Have you ever wondered why some manufacturers can make automation projects seem downright easy? Meet Bob. Bob's company makes brakes for OEMs, and Janet, whose cheese factory sells across her province. Bob gets requests for size of carbon brakes, which he's never made before. He has an in-house automation team that understands all facets of his business. They have the expertise to develop strategy, create concepts, and develop a complete design spec so they can reach out to their supplier network to source and build out the production facility and necessary automation systems. Janet needs to respond to her grocery chain customer who wants to expand into 2 more provinces. She has a guy who's in charge of plant operations, who knows his systems and thinks maybe adding a few robots to the line can speed production and packaging. But he hasn't implemented systems like this before and is actually already working extra hours to keep up with his current activities. When he reaches out to potential equipment suppliers, he doesn't have a complete spec upon which to provide a comprehensive quote. The suppliers could build a design process into the estimate, but they would need to include an undesirable contingency into the proposal, or plan to have multiple change orders as the scope crept over time. So what can Janet do? Fortunately, there's JAE Automation. JAE brings all the experience and capabilities of Bob's in-house team to the table without the costs of paying for them when they're not needed. We have automation strategists to understand her business and create the right plan, design professionals to fully develop design specifications, integrators, a supplier network to source off-the-shelf solutions or build custom solutions, and a support team to ensure problems are dealt with over time. As we've learned with Bob's team, it's a lot of work to get to the point of having the right solution and understanding the costing along the way. In the end, Janet can meet her orders for a fraction of the cost of Bob's in-house team. This isn't to say Bob's team is wasteful. He needs a full-time team to meet the ongoing demands of his customers, and he could even rely on JAE from time to time to step in as necessary. Janet's business just doesn't need a full-time automation team, and with JAE as her fractional team, she can expect the same comprehensive process and exceptional results. JAE Automation, your fractional automation team. Just one more way we help manufacturers make things better.